I bought these killer stilettos, but I'm not going to wear them. Seriously, that's like a guaranteed trip to the ER. Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Clutch, and today is another episode of Craft or Crap, where Chaz from Chaz's Crazy Creations and I go head to head on a craft challenge. And you get to decide if our projects are craft or crap. And this challenge is sponsored by Karen Thomas Design. She has these beautiful beaded items that you have got to check out. Hey, and there's a giveaway at the end. Be sure to stick around for that. So there's two basic rules. It has to light up, has to be repurposed. And in this particular case, all the stuff that Karen sent us was so beautiful, it just inspired both of our projects. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that she sent, and you can see exactly why I'm inspired. There's a garden stake, a cheese block to hold the utensils. There's serving spoons and drink picks and an olive spoon and a wine stopper, salad servers, and these beautiful beads and pens, and there's makeup brushes, all these great things to make. It's a DIYer's dream. They also have a boutique where you can buy stuff already finished. And look at these beauties. That's what inspired my project right there. The first thing I did was use Elmer's Glue All, and I painted that right onto the bottom of the shoes. And this kind of helped seal the bottom of the shoes so that whatever else I did to it, it wasn't going to get all over it. Then I took the shoes outside and used Rust-Oleum bonding primer. And I used that because you can paint right away after it dries. You don't have to wait. And these are the beads that started it all. Look at those colors. Karen Thomas Designs has thousands of beads to choose from, but these are the ones that I have, and I decided to paint the shoes a metallic purple. I did have to do a second coat to get good coverage. During that second coat, I used a light purple and blended it together with the darker metallic purple, and then I did a darker, almost plum color on the heels because I thought that should be different. And then on the inside, I used Plaid Sugar Metallic paint, which has kind of a gritty texture to it, and I painted the insoles a silver. And then I took the same color that I used on the heel and I did that on the insides. I had to let all the paint dry, so I decided to tackle the garden stick. And it came with this cute butterfly charm, which I put onto a bead, and then I added all of the other beads. They're such great quality, and I just added them one by one and then put the end stopper on. And I cannot wait to put this beauty into my garden. It is going to look so, so good. I cut a couple pieces from a dowel rod, and that's going to fit into the heel of the shoe. So I painted it the plum, the same color as the actual heel. And then I went back to the heel, and I needed to decorate it a little bit. So I put a little glue on there, and then I put silver micro beads on there. I did that on both heels, and then I grabbed some glue, and I put little glue dots on the lighter purple areas of both shoes, put some fine pink glitter on there. Then I took some glitter Mod Podge and put it on the fronts of the shoes where the dark purple is. I poured some glitter over it, some dark purple glitter that coordinated with it, and now it looks really pretty. Then I added more of the glitter Mod Podge to the inside of the shoe, and you guessed it, more glitter. This time I did a chunky silver, which gives it a little bit of a different look because it's got more texture to it. While we wait for that to dry, I'm going to put together the mouse cheese cutter, and I'm going to use my favorite bead. Look at that, so pretty and so fun to use. I drilled a hole in the top of the dowel so that I could drill coordinating holes into the silver dish. Now this silver dish is just an inexpensive metal dish I found at Goodwill. It is definitely not silver. Then I screwed the tray to the dowels, and this is going to help create my base for my shoes. I painted the tray with that same light purple, and I went all the way to the edge but left the silver rim. Then I broke out my Promise epoxy and I put resin all over the shoes. You want to brush it over the micro beads too. Protects the whole shoe from being scratched or anything like that, as well as just keeping the glitter and the micro beads in place. And I let any of the excess just run into the toe of the shoe, so I know everything about the shoe has been sealed. I did it everywhere except on the bottoms of the shoes. And then I mixed some more resin and added that purple glitter, that fine purple glitter, and put it on the tray. And then I spread it around to the edges to make sure that it got everywhere and it looked nice and neat. The only problem I had is you could see the screws through the glitter. So all I did is I added another coat on top of it. While the resin was curing, I put together a makeup brush, and this time, along with the beads, I put on this beautiful crystal cap. It makes it extra special. Once the resin cured everywhere, I cleaned up the shoes with my Dremel, and anywhere there was excess, I cleaned that. I was able to clean the bottom of the shoes with my heat gun and a pick. Then I put the tray together, I put the dowels down into the heels of the shoe, and all you need to do is adhere it with some permanent glue. Just want to make sure it's level. And then I added a fairy light underneath because we had to light up our project, and I think it looks pretty great with all that glitter and everything. Who knew a pair of old shoes could look so good? Here it is, all decked out with all of the coordinating items. And this is how they looked before when they came, and here they are after. They look pretty amazing. I hope you guys like the serving platter, and it's kind of a fun twist. And it was inspired by that bead and that bead from Karen Thomas Designs Fun Beading Items. They are so cool. Be sure to check them out. And this works in multiple places. You could have it in your office and have all your pens on there. It even looks great in the bathroom holding your makeup brushes and cotton balls. You could have it out for serving. If you wanted to serve something directly on here, just get a clear glass plate, put it on there. You could put a cake on there. You could put cheese and crackers. And we know we have the coordinating items to go with the cheese and crackers. Check it out. Remember, you can buy these kits and whatever kind of beads you want, whatever color, and you can give them as gifts. First and foremost, let me know if it's craft or crap. Be sure to hop over to Chaz's channel and see what she makes and if that is craft or crap too. Now it's time for the giveaway. You've seen so many items from Karen Thomas Design, and how could you not want them? Karen Thomas Designs is giving away a $50 mystery box. So go to Karen Thomas Designs and let her know what you would pick to be in your mystery box. Don't forget, there's a $10 coupon code CRAFT10 and $10 off of a $50 order. And you get a $10 gift bag of beads with your first order too. All the details to enter the giveaway are down below, so be sure to check that out. And it's really easy. There's 3 ways to enter, so go check that out. And remember, if you want to get featured on the next Craft or Crap, be sure to check that out down there. Jackie made a great flower project using skewer sticks. So thank you, Jackie, for sharing that with us. And we want everybody else to share with us too. So remember to do that. More information on that is down in the description as well. We always appreciate your support, so remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this project, be sure to share it with your friends and family so they can enjoy it too. Just remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter, and I'll see you over there.